Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 8 screws on the base cover. Using a plastic scribe, pry the cover away from the recessed points near the hinges to remove it. Grasp the left side and the right side and remove the base cover. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the wireless module. Remove the screw securing it. Remove the WLAN card bracket off. Disconnect the antenna cables. Remove the WLAN card. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system. Reconnect the cables. Follow the antenna cable color scheme. Place the WLAN card bracket on. Tighten the captive screw to secure it. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.